Stop by and take a look at the 2016 INFINITI Q70. The luxurious INFINITI Q70 offers plush interior accommodations and a spacious interior cabin. Passengers of a Q70 will feel like they're riding first class all the way. Enhanced agility and safety protection features fill this luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.